Are you searching for natural simple hairstyles without wigs or attachment? This video is perfect for you. These are easy beautiful hair weaving for ages. They are also beginner friendly, perfect for all ages with natural healthy hair types protective and it will keep your hair looking very neat, more beautiful every day, even without extension. Let me lead you to watch the complete and rate the best from 1 to 10 in the comment section.
Every cut, every braid, every line I say.
Hey, don't screw. Are you actually searching for a beautiful hair weaving for your wig cap or without a wig cap? Not even an attachment will be attached to it. This video is perfectly for you. I bring to you beautiful hair weaving that will last for a very long time and is very easy to maintain. These are different type of all-back weaving. Some of them are for your girl child, but nevertheless, all of them are for all ages. Whether you are a worker or you are a student, even if you just feel like looking good in the house, for God to always admire your natural beauty, don't worry. Watch to the end and see different natural hairstyles that will last for a very long time and is very easy to make. If you are the kind of person that don't want to sit for a very long time in the salon, I believe you may make your choice from here. Find it very easy to learn how to make natural hair weaving, especially if you are making it for your daughters. Without talking too much, let me allow you to watch this video. Don't forget to drop your favorite in the comment section so that we'll bring the tutorial down to this channel so that some of us that don't know how to make hair from there, they will learn how to weave hair, because we are going to teach you step by step on how we can achieve those times. And don't forget to like and share my video for more interesting videos like this and subscribe.
Side front base with all back weaving.
I shape it up, I make it able. From the roots to the ground, stay stable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking,
No stifle.
any doubt you bring to the table.
All back simple natural weaving.
From the tears to the laughs, we are capable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking, we grateful.
No stifle.
I woke up with a plan today.
All back dropping braids with simple front base.
Mirror light shining on her baby face. We don't rush, we just trust, we just working good. Chair turn, cape on, she's my tiny queen. Tiny hands, tracing every curl and seam.
Easy front base with natural hair braid.
Make me brave. Every cut, every braid, every line I say. Scissors sing softly while the clippers hum. Never run. I put the weight on my back like it's tailor-made. Still I smile in the glass when I see what I made. Oh, any styles you bring to the table, I shape it up, I make it able. From the roots to the ground, stay stable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking, we faithful. No shaking. Any doubt you bring to the table.
Front
Stylish clapping, weaving hairstyle.
From the tears to the laughs, we are capable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking, we grateful. Oh yeah. Saturday rush, door swing off the frame. Four heads waiting, everybody knows my name. But my daughter in the corner doing dog hair. Two little mimics, little dreams. Yeah, she watching what I do. I'm lining up futures, bit by bit. When I edge that pain, I refuse to quit. If I cry in the dark, I still glow by day. Every part of this craft is a prayer I say. Styles you bring to the table, I shape it up, I make it able. From the roots to the crown, stay stable. With Isaiah Ebele. No shaking, we faithful. Any doubt you bring to the table, we fade it out, we're unbreakable. From the tears to the laughs, we are capable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking, we grateful, so grateful. My baby, watch me shine. Your tomorrow's in this line. Every twist, every part, every slow design turns the maybe in your heart to a steady spot. Any styles you bring to the table, I shape it up, I make it able. From the roots to the crown, stay stable. With Isaiah Ebele, no shaking, faithful.
Front base with natural two-side simple weaving.